How to add recipient in Wise. Want to send money faster with Wise? Let's see how to add a recipient step by step. First and foremost, log into your Wise account, go to the recipient section, and that will take you here. Click on this add button, which you'd basically find at the top left. And then in here, go ahead and select the currency that specific individual is using. And then as you can see in here, you can add a recipient by searching them on Wise with their Wise tag, email, phone, or business name. Fill in the recipient's information, full name, bank account, details like IBAN or routing number, and address if required. Double check everything to avoid failed transfers. Now after that, click on the Save Recipient button and they'll now appear on your list, ready for future transfers without re-entering details. When you send money, simply pick your saved recipient and Wise uses the store details, making transfers quick and easy. And that is how to add a recipient in Wise.